Welcome back to Flint Creek Transport. My name is Justin. Check out this ride. As I was saying, guys, not always do I get to see every truck that comes in here, and this truck was kind of sneaking in and out. I didn't see it. I've seen it in and out. I didn't get the time to come out when it was actually sitting here and do a little walk around. So here it goes, guys. It's a beauty. For all you tall guys out there, you should appreciate this funk. So, I am not familiar with Freightliner models, what model this is exactly, but this is a 1978 A3406C with an 18-speed transmission. So, she's a beauty. You know, I'm thinking about that. 1978, that truck's older than me. Ay, ay, ay. Makes me feel young. You know, that's an era of trucks I don't know a lot about. In those 70s and 80s, not many trucks. I mean, I don't know the trucks that well, but getting to the 90s, 2000s, and those are the trucks I know. My favorite era is the mid 90s to 2000 range, right in there. I feel that's when they made the best trucks. They were comfortable and just solid, long-lasting trucks. And then since that, they started to go downhill. You know, they started using cheap paint, they started using cheaper steel, and they started, you know, more plastic and things like that. In that range of trucks, you can still get, they ride nice. I mean, there's so many things. The comfort's good, they're long-lasting, everything is still solid on those. But and you go into the earlier ones. Now you have some that, you know, they might not give you the nicest ride and blah, 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 whatever. But my favorite era is the 95 range or mid 90s to 2000 range. I gotta go trucking. I gotta find this truck. I think it's the green one. Sitting over there. Here comes one pulling out of the shop. Guys are working in here, servicing trucks, all the good stuff. Talk about wide open spaces. There's so much space between the trucks. It makes it very nice. I'll wait till we get this shop about done and I'll do a complete tour. There's still a lot of things that we're just wrapping up. Airline's not done. Oil, you know, it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna happen right away. But all the grading is done, and over on the other side, that's all done. Plus, I gotta go trucking. Truck I'm running today is truck number 138. No, 136. Tell you these truck numbers. Truck number 136. This is, I think, a 2003 Peterbilt 379. It's 2002. The trailer I'm pulling is a dump trailer, Trail Star. Spread axle. Not a bad looking trailer. So we'll see what's in here. It's nice and clean. Look at that. So this is a chute just simply to unload grain into, well, I'll show you. What I'm doing today is just running grain from the field to the farm, and I'm simply just getting started. Dispatch called me and said, hey, can you just run a truck out, get started? I have another driver come fill in. So that's what I'm doing. But originally, before that, I was supposed to haul a dump truck load. So that's my job today. We're gonna be putting grain wheat to be exact, into this trailer, and then it's gonna be unloading out of this coal chute here in the back. There's already a truck parked over there. It is truck 145 pulling a dump trailer. That one's probably gonna be loaded till I get there, so I'm gonna hop in that one, take it to the farm, start unloading. So I'm just gonna drop this truck off, pick that one up. Everyone's different, but I can tell how much air is in a tire by kicking it. Check this out. That one's got 108 in. It's like 110, so pretty good, pretty good. It's called intuition. I hopped in this truck, I released the brakes, and I did that thing with my left foot, and I remembered I was driving a Peterbilt. That's all I'm saying. And for real, no, I can't tell how much tire pressure is in a tire by kicking it, but you gotta still kick it. See if I can find a turnaround spot. You said you can't turn around in a wheat field. You know, even though I'm not going far, I still like to check this. This is the first load. I like to just check the tires. I could probably run it with a flat, right, or a low tire, but this way, if there is a problem, I can let the guys know and they can get it fixed. Really, where I'm going is just a couple miles, if even, maybe 2 miles or so. So this trailer is loaded, and I'm gonna pull this one front so we can start loading this one. So here it is, unloading, basically coming out this chute. That little black tarp or rubber thing just keeps the grain going in the right spot, cuts down on the dust. They call it like a sock or whatever. Just cuts down on dust, things like that. Puts the grain right where you want it. Goes in that auger, up the elevator, and will fill this bin right here to start. And then once that one gets full, automatically jumps over to that bin. So what I'm hauling today is wheat. I'll give you a little look at it here. So who knows? Could be in your pancakes, could be in your granola, could be in whatever. I don't know what I'll use it for. One load complete. Next guy came, and he's going to be replacing me. He's going to stay parked here because he's going to probably load later today, and I'm going to head back. All right, one truck to the next. Now I get to run the dump truck. This is the Peterbilt dump truck. What is it, a 567? I don't know. I'm terrible with Peterbilt numbers. I know a 379 and 389 and a 388, stuff like that, but anyway, that Peterbilt dump truck we bought out of Pittsburgh. I'm just gonna double check, make sure they got it loaded. This will be like the second or third time I'm running this truck, so it's been a little bit. Oh yeah, it's loaded. Here it is, 367. Just a quick update on this truck. It's been running okay. There's been just some little things here and there, and I actually see right now there's a check engine light on. So it's been able to run. We had it at the shop one time, or maybe 2 times, but it was both times it was just little things, needed to get reset. But I don't know what's gonna happen. We'll see. But as far as running, it runs good. All it is a useless emission system that prevent it from getting better fuel economy, and also create an added expense by now adding DEF fluid. So see what happens. You know, that one fly flying around in here. Get out of here. There you go, bye. Look at this. Yeah, it looks like it must be a load of pavers coming in. Check out that truck. He's the next YouTube star. And who by WB? Actually, I get to run 3 trucks in one day. Check it out. So, got a little bit of bean hauling coming up. That truck, 99 Kenworth. I'm just hooked up to that trailer right now. Gonna pull it away from the dock for the guys after they get done unloading it and park it out back. I'm gonna drop it and I'm gonna go home. I got 2 loads to haul tonight and I'm guessing it's gonna get pretty late, so I'm gonna go home, catch a little maybe a little nap or something, I don't know, and go back into work. So it's gonna be a late night, early morning, I don't know, something like that. The only thing I'm gonna do on this is just hook up the airline, simply because I'm just gonna move the truck, or sorry, move the trailer a little bit, so. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. So we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.